Kitchen is probably the most important room in a house. Our kitchen was outdated and not my style, so in today's video I will show you our kitchen makeover, and I will also give you 7 easy ideas to upgrade your kitchen on a budget. This is my kitchen before, and there are some good things in it. It's functional, in good condition, and there is a lot of cabinets. The first thing is decide what to do and set a budget to keep the cost under control. I will give you 7 ideas to easily upgrade your kitchen. You can update the cabinets. You will have, of course, to remove the doors, and look at the easy tip I give you to remove the door without taking off the hinges. To give your kitchen makeover an easy refresh, you can use paint or adhesive. I went for the second option. The adhesive film was really easy to apply. It's made specifically for kitchen cabinets doors. You just have to cut the adhesive a little bigger than the door, and then you just peel it off and apply it on the door. It's that simple. The adhesive is fully removable, so it's perfect if you are in a rental. Second easy way to upgrade your kitchen is switching the cabinet hardware. I found these in Amazon and they were really cheap, so it's a nice and very easy way to give your kitchen a new look. Third, you can replace your countertops. The one we had in our kitchen is laminated and it's kind of blue, and you can see that there is some places where it's damaged. To upgrade your kitchen countertop, you can use adhesive, you can apply paint. I choose another option. I apply concrete to cover the countertop, and it was much harder to apply than I thought, and the results are not as good as expected. Okay, this is the concrete countertop, and as you can see, here it does look nice, and here not so much, so I will try sanding, see if things goes better. 4. You can change the kitchen backsplash. Easy DIY option are adhesive tiles or paint. As you can see, some of the tile we have are in volume, so it wasn't possible to glue or apply paint. So I took all the tiles down and placed a new backsplash with nice Moroccan tiles. Next thing you can do is upgrade the lighting. Hanging a new lamp, it's an easy way to give your kitchen a new look. Choose a light that will give you a good lighting in the kitchen. 6th, paint the walls. This one is obvious, but a fresh coat of paint or a nice wallpaper will make the difference in your kitchen. And the last one, add accessories. Display cutting boards or use them to hide outlets. Hang nice frames with cute art walls. Display pretty dishes on a shelf. Add matching tea towels. And don't forget a few plants. It's time to show you my kitchen. This was the before. And here is the after. I'm really happy how it turns out. It took me 2 weeks to update my kitchen and cost around $1,000. I DIY everything, so I hope these few ideas and tips will inspire you to upgrade your kitchen on a budget. Thanks for watching and follow for more DIY and sewing ideas.